Today I will show you how to highlight your duplicate data from Google Sheet or Excel spreadsheet. It's a pretty easy way to do that. We are using conditional formula for doing this. First step, we have to select the column, then we have to click format. After that conditional formatting, then it's pop up a dialog box. Here we have to set format rules. So we are using a custom formula, so we are select the custom formula is we are using formula, so we have to use the equal sign. It's very important for any formula. So equal first braces, then we have to select the whole column. COUNTIF first braces, we have to select the whole column, so all the data have in a column. A is to A, comma, then we are starting checking the duplicates from very first row A1. This is our very first row A1. First braces closes, then we are compared to 1. So we are seeing that all the duplicates values are appeared. Apple, apple, orange, orange, banana, banana. Here you go. Also you can select your preference color for highlighting values. So this is our video. I think it will help your business. Thanks for watching this video.